Hey guys, I'm reinstalling my Springfree trampoline, and I'm doing the mat rods by myself, no partner. So I'm gonna just show you how I've been doing it, going around in a circle. Once you get those blue ones situated, it's really not too bad after that. So this is my technique right here. So make sure this thing is all the way outside the fabric. So I've been grabbing, make sure you have gloves, by the way. Grab it underneath there, or underneath like that. Take the other one, both underhand like this. Shove it all the way. You want to hit that bottom position right there. Underneath, and then it should just pop up. It's pretty easy, takes a little bit of strength. Once you get the first couple, then the rest are pretty simple.